Listen to the spelling words for Lesson 11 and type them as you hear them in the boxes. If you need any of them repeated, just simply rewind this video and listen to them again. Number 1. Noticeable. Is this stain very noticeable? Noticeable. Number 2. Passable. She plays drums well and she's a passable guitarist. Passable. Number 3. Convertible. It's fun to drive in a convertible on a summer day. Convertible. Number 4. Wearable. This suit is old, but it's still wearable. Wearable. Number 5. Profitable. Our lemonade stand was not profitable. Profitable. Number 6. Applicable. All school rules will be applicable on our field trip. Applicable. Number 7. Accessible. Is the building accessible to people in wheelchairs? Accessible. Number 8. Destructible. That lamp is pretty, but it is very destructible. Destructible. Number 9. Sensible. It would be sensible to get a good night's sleep. Sensible. Number 10. Permissible. Is it permissible to let my dog off the leash? Permissible.